going on, guys? 84 here. I don't know what that thing was. And today we're doing a random opening where I'm opening packs of stuff. And some of them are called NumNoms. I don't know if this is backwards or not, but I'm opening these NumNoms. I'm not into, and I didn't buy these at the store or anything. Our school does this thing called the summer library, where we go to a library and we read 100 minutes for each level, and the NumNoms were the prizes for level 1. And the second thing I'm opening are Splashlings, and those were the prizes for level 2. So, and on it, it says, "Smell so delicious." So, I'm not too excited about this, but I'm gonna do 1 NumNoms, then 2 Splashlings, then 2 NumNoms, then 1 Splashlings. I don't know why I'm doing it that way, I just am. So, let's open our first NumNom pack. That was really hard. Jesus, what the heck? So these NumNoms come in a bunch of different shapes. Oh my god, that smells so weird. Ugh, that smells like medicine. Ugh. I hate this. Ugh. That smells so bad. Oh. Oh my god, and then there's a smaller thing inside, and I think that this is like lip gloss. Yeah, it says lip gloss or a stamp, so this is so weird. So this is what I got, and this is lip gloss. That is really weird. Hopefully these don't smell horrible. And apparently these ones contain 2 in each pack, so. Wow, I got a turtle. And whatever this thing is, if you can tell me in the comments. There's 7 themes: a bash fish, treasure pets, fin friends, swell shells, hip flips, wiggles, and ocean gems. I would guess that this is a swell shell, because it's a turtle. Turtles wear shells. This is a treasure pet. Okay, we're opening another one. It still smells from the last thing. Oh, nice. I got a shark and a diamond. It's pretty cool, I guess. This thing is the weirdest thing. Okay, now we're opening some more NumNoms. The NumNoms are so hard to open, guys. And leave this video a like because I worked pretty hard to read enough to get stuff from the summer library. And I didn't actually work that hard, it's just 100 minutes. Hopefully this one doesn't smell as bad. If they all smell the same. This one smells worse. Ugh, they both smell like medicine. And what the heck is... These things are all the same. See, look. They're the exact same thing. Yuck, this is the worst thing ever. I don't know why I'm still going. I don't know how I'm still going. I feel like I just took a bunch of medicine and it tastes horrible. I like the Splashlings a lot better than the NumNoms. Oh, hold on. This one is different. It's a unicorn. Oh, this one smells good. It smells like cotton candy. And then we got this inside. Oh, now it's starting to smell like medicine. So we got our little tower here. It's pretty sweet. Never doing anything like this ever again, unless they're the same things next year. Well, that's dead. Now we got our last Splashlings to open. This time I got a fish. And our final Splashling is another shark. Or is this one a dolphin? Hold on. Oh yeah, this one is a dolphin. Oh well. These come with a bunch of little... This comes with this big thing of which ones you can collect. So yeah, I got a Serena Scepter, a dolphin, and an Ollie Orca actually, and a Tommy Teeth. I got a Sparkles. I got hold on, what did I get? I forgot what all the ones that I got were. Okay, from the shells one, I got Peaky Keen, which is this guy right here. That's Peaky Keen. I got this, which is Ollie Orca. I got this, which is Tommy Teeth. I got this, which is Sparkles. I got this guy, which is, it looks like Angelina. I got this one, which is Serena Scepter. So I didn't get any hip flips or wiggles, but I got everything else. So yeah, that's gonna have to do it for this video. It smells in here. I will be throwing all of these things out. I honestly think that these are pretty cool, so I'm keeping these. And where's the other one? Oh yeah, it's on the floor. These don't smell too bad, but I'm getting rid of them anyway because I don't use lip gloss. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Goodbye. Oh, that didn't stop. But I forgot to tell you to leave a like and subscribe if you want. If you enjoyed, then leave a like and subscribe. And just make sure to watch more videos by me if you subscribe. So bye. Oh man. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.